What's up everybody, welcome back here on the channel. Today is Matchbox time and we are going to take a look at another one of these Matchbox 5 packs. These were on sale in my area for €6 a piece, which is, in my opinion, a pretty good deal, and I bought a bunch of these. Today we're going to take a look at the Autobahn Express 5, and as you can see, I do have two of these sets, because these two aren't identical. And the reason for that is that on one of these models there is an interior variation, and if you want to know what or which model it is, stay tuned. And with that said, we get started with our unboxing. Already opened this thing up, and our first model is the Audi e-tron in police deco. It's a German police livery, looking pretty good. It's the only casting of these 5 models I do collect, and of which I have other versions. This one looks pretty good, especially from the front. The back, I have to say, isn't really good. I already said that in other videos about this casting. First of all, there's a license plate missing, and the taillights do look a little bit weird. You have to look at a photo of the real car, then you'll see what I mean. But basically the rest is pretty cool. I do have a red version, another silver version, and I think you can see it on camera. This one is silver and this one also, but it's not exactly the same shade of silver. As you can see, this one has a little bit a blue shade into it, and yeah, I think it looks pretty good. And I think this one here, the blue version, I think this was the first version. There's only one missing. I think there's a 9-pack exclusive of this Audi e-tron that I don't have. But yeah, all in all, pretty nice. And into the parking lot it goes. Our next model is yeah, maybe the favorite of many collectors of this 5-pack. It's the Porsche 911 GT3. This is a pretty old casting. I think it's from, let's take a look at the base, 2007. But it looks really good. I like the color. It's a little bit unusual. Something like, I don't know how to call this, coffee metallic. I have no idea. And it's a pretty nice casting. I think there was a white version in a single pack this year that I still haven't found. Mentioned that in many videos this year. Very hard to find Matchbox single packs this year. Don't know why. Anyways, this one, yeah, looks really good. And take a look at the back. Here we do have a license plate, and yeah, looks very good. Pretty nice model. Into the parking lot it goes, and we go on with a car that is a little bit less expensive in reality. The 2019 Fiat 500 Turbo. I think I have one or two other versions of this guy. I couldn't find them, but anyways, I'm not really after this casting, but this version is pretty nice. I like these black 5-spokes. The color of this guy is pretty nice. I don't know what that is, kind of a mint satin, whatever. I don't know. Once again, we get some pretty nice details on the back, very crisp, kind of a license plate saying 500. And the front also looks focus, pretty good. I think they could have done some more details on the headlights, but the rest is pretty nice. Also, nice version. Our next one is this guy here, the 1965 Alfa Romeo Giulia Sprint GTA. I know there are a lot of Alfa Romeo fans out there. I have to admit, I'm not. I don't know. It's just not my cup of tea. But anyways, we got this guy in blue with 3 spokes. The back, once again, is definitely missing a license plate, but we get this. That's hard to see here on camera. This 4-leaf clover. It's pretty nice. Details on the front are okay. Yeah, definitely not my favorite, and it's very hard to see on camera. But I mean, the steering wheels on all of these Matchbox aren't really great, but on this guy here, I really can't show it. It just looks weird. It's kind of oval, and yeah, I don't know if it's just an issue of my Alfa here, or if it's on every of these, but yeah, that looks weird. Anyways, into the parking lot it goes. And then we have our last one. And guess what? This is the guy with the interior variation. We get to that in a second. I like this one because it's a little bit different. It's an older casting from 2015 Volkswagen Transporter Crew Cab. Yeah. This one comes with a trailer hitch, as you can see, and I personally do like German lettering here on the side saying Straßendienst. It's kind of road service. And yeah, then it's kind of interesting. Here it's saying Benzin, so you can get some gas from these guys. Reifenreparatur, you can fix your tires. And Abschleppdienst, which means towing. And then the interesting thing is it also says Aufladen, which means charging. And I'm not really sure. I mean, when this thing was on the road, there were definitely no electric cars. I mean, I don't know what the service is, that they can charge the regular battery of a combustion engine car. I don't know. Anyways, looks, yeah, pretty nice. I like this one. A lot of livery on this guy. And now we take a look at the back, and as you can see, this guy has nothing in there. And then we take this one. Let's put the rotator to the side. Otherwise, it's hard to show. I don't open this packaging up because it was really, really hard to find, to be honest. And as you can see, this guy here has stuff in the back. There's kind of a toolbox, a chain, and a spare tire. So this is the interior variation. And I don't know, there were several of these 5-packs, but there was only one with this, with the stuff in the back. I don't know if that was just at the store that I found these. No idea, but yeah, it's pretty nice to have this variation. So, as always, at the end of these videos, I do pick a favorite, and yeah, I would say it's, even though this is an older casting, it's this Porsche. Nice color, comes with a license plate, and yeah, it's a Porsche. What else can I say? That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Happy hunting. See you next time. Bye.